Bueno, amigos de Nagasite.com, estamos en este momento con Maddog, que él es una leyenda dentro del software de código libre o free source, inventor de Linux y de este curioso pingüino que vemos a cada rato. Mr. Hall, thank you for your time, first of all. And I want to ask you, how you came up with the idea of the pet with the penguin? Why is that?
It wasn't my idea. It was actually an idea of the Linux community. And we wanted a new symbol after 2.0 the kernel came out. And before that time, there were lots of different symbols that people were using for Linux, and we wanted just one. So a lot of people said, well, maybe we should have lions and tigers and things like that with claws and fangs to rip Microsoft apart. But they couldn't decide. So finally they said, let's ask Linus Torvalds, because he's the architect of the Linux kernel. And Linus said, I like penguins. And people go, penguins? You know, penguins aren't fierce. He says, well, you've never seen a penguin coming at you to protect its children. He says they can be very fierce. So people started drawing different penguins. A person by the name of Larry Ewing at Texas A&M University drew the tux using the program called the GIMP. And they showed a lot of penguins to Linus. Linus liked that one the most. So that became Tux the Penguin.
What's your perception about the free source software? Do you think it's the same thing as low quality product?
No, because I spent 16 years working for Digital Equipment Corporation in the software facility. And I know that even closed source proprietary packages from very large companies can actually have very poor quality software in them. And particularly when it's closed source, the engineers say, oh, nobody's ever going to see my source code. As long as it works, that's good enough. It doesn't have to be maintainable. It doesn't have to be structured, you know. But then when you say to them, oh, I need to show this software, the source code, to a particular customer, they go, oh, please don't show that software. I've always meant to rewrite it. You can't judge software just because it's good or bad, whether it's open or closed source.
I wanted to ask you, what do you think about the software licenses right now? Because, you know, it's a monopoly these days.
Well, when you say what do I think about software licenses, there's a lot of things about that. When you write a piece of software or any type of art, it is copyrighted simply because you wrote it. It belongs to you. For you to allow other people to use it, you have to license the software to them. Now, most companies license the software through paying of money. Microsoft licenses the software to you, not that you own it or can change it, but that you have the right to use it on that particular computer. The free software license says you not only can use the software, but you can change the software. You can see how it's written, you can see how it works, you can modify it to meet your needs. That is a license, which gives you that right. And so the software belongs to you as much as it belongs to anybody else. I want to say hello to the people at Nagasite.com, and I want to say how much I like being here in Columbia at Campus Party. And I hope that people come here, see the exhibits, and, you know, even if they don't go to the Campus Party itself, there's still plenty of things to see and do.
Bueno, amigos, eso fue todo. Nos vemos en una próxima ocasión.